Rubio. I'm a health and wellness educator with Health Promotion Services, and welcome to Hungry for Healthy. Hungry for Healthy is a program where we teach you how to cook healthy meals on a budget, and today we're going to be making an avocado chickpea sandwich. So let's get started. This recipe is really simple. You just need a few things. You need 1 can of chickpeas, which I've already drained and rinsed, and then you need an avocado. So you just need half of this avocado, but you're more than welcome to add the entire avocado if you'd like. You also need about a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Need some fresh lime juice, so we're going to juice this lime later. Some green onions, cilantro, and we're gonna add some salt and pepper to taste. And then you can, for your sandwich, you just need whole wheat bread. You're more than welcome to use whatever bread you have at home or whatever's available to you, or you can even add this on top of some green salad. And we're using whole wheat bread because there's a lot of fiber. You want to make sure that you're using whole grains whenever you're consuming carbs. So to get started, we're going to put our chickpeas into a bowl. And we're going to take our avocado. To cut your avocado, you just want to go around the seed here. Take the avocado. We're gonna put it into our bowl. So I like to cut my avocados just to make it easier to mash later. To take the seed, you wanna get the knife and just stick it through and it'll easily come off. Just be careful. And whenever you're cooking, make sure you're practicing hand hygiene and washing your hands properly before you start prepping your food, after, and before and after you eat. Just gonna add the avocados in there. And we want to mash this. So you can use a fork, or because I have a potato masher here, this makes it a little bit easier, we have a potato masher. Having bits of chunks of the chickpeas in there, it's okay. Gives it some texture. So mash this to your liking. And this is really great because you have the protein from the chickpeas, and it's an inexpensive way to get your protein, and you have your healthy fats from the avocado. And right now avocados are just about to be in season, so it's a great time to utilize this recipe for avocados that you might have at home that are going ripe and ready to be eaten. That's just about ready. Set it to the side. Put this to the side. Next, we're going to chop our green onions. So I need 1 green onion and a tablespoon of cilantro. Make sure that you're washing your produce well. So you want to cut off the white parts of the green onions and just in thin slices. These fresh ingredients is going to provide really nice flavor profile into your chickpea sandwich. And we're going to finely chop our cilantro. Next, we're going to add these 2 ingredients into our bowl here. the recipe can be found in the chat room, so you're welcome to download the recipe there. You can also find it on our website, and on the recipe we created a cost breakdown of each ingredients, and so shows that it's fairly inexpensive to get at your local grocery store. So you want to mix this together. Next, you're going to add Greek yogurt. It's about a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is also another great source of protein. And then about a teaspoon of fresh lime juice. So we're just gonna juice this a little bit here. Just a little, about a teaspoon there. And then you want to add some salt and pepper to taste. You want to be mindful of how much salt we're adding to our dishes. So you want to reduce the amount of sodium intake that you have in your foods. Some pepper. And then give this a good mix. This is a great alternative to like a tuna salad if you are vegetarian or vegan. You're also welcome to sub this chickpeas for a can of tuna or what you might have at home. So you can even use cooked chicken. And there's our filling. Next we're gonna make our sandwiches. So this makes about 2 sandwiches. So we have our bread here. And we're just gonna fill our bread. Evenly distribute our filling on our sandwich. You're welcome to also toast your bread. I know I like my bread toasted. Put our sandwich. Go ahead and cut it in half so we get it nice and pretty. And there you have it, your avocado chickpea salad sandwich. So you're gonna plate this real nice, and we'll make our second batch. So this is great. You can leave this in your fridge, and when you're ready to make your sandwich, you can just take it out of your Tupperware and put it on your sandwich, and you're ready to eat it as a meal. So you can have this for lunch, for dinner. If you're looking for a variety, you can put this on top of some green salad, or you can eat it by itself with some crackers. And there we have it. So a avocado chickpea salad sandwich.